If you've ever actually owned a pool, you know there's a weird paradox that comes along with it. It's a lot of fun, and the point is all relaxation, and that can be the case, except pool maintenance. You know, you get sand, leaves, bugs, and if you go a week without cleaning the pool, you might as well forget about it because you're definitely not having any friends over because it's going to be an absolute mess. Today, I'm testing out something that promises to take all of the personal and manual maintenance out of pool work and gets you back to enjoying your pool. This is the MOVA Diver A10, and MOVA sent me one to put through the ringer. What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today on a very exciting tech video, and as you guys just heard, today we're going to be getting into the MOVA Diver A10 pool bot. If you're new to the channel, a couple of weeks ago I went out to MOVA's outdoor launch event in Beverly Hills. I had already reviewed the Rover X10, which is their ultra premium pool bot. This is their flagship affordable bot, but still has so many incredible features and amazing value for the money. They did send this one out for review and sponsored this video, so huge shout out to MOVA. We're gonna go through everything that makes this bot special, give you guys my real world opinions and hands-on testing so you guys can make an informed decision. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Quick context on who MOVA is. They launched back in 2024 with a pretty specific mission: build smart home tech that actually thinks for itself. You can think about floor cleaning, grooming, kitchen, outdoor gear, all of those things AI driven. And the Diver A10 is their latest affordable flagship robotic pool cleaner. It handles the floor, the walls, and the water line completely untethered. No cord, no garden hose, you just drop it in, hit a button, walk away. That's the pitch. Basically, you get to go back to enjoying your pool. The Diver A10 does all the work, so we're gonna see if that claim holds up. Okay, so let's go through the claims here and the feature set. The first big claim, 6,000 gallons per hour of suction. That's 22,700 liters every single hour moving through this thing. For context, that's enough to cycle a small backyard pool completely every few minutes. And it's all driven by 3 brushless motors and this dual spiral brush on the bottom that basically acts like a carpet sweeper underwater. So I ran the debris strip test, which I've done on many other pool bots, scattered a line of sand, crushed leaves, and a few pebbles across the pool floor. And then drove the A10 straight through it in a single pass. One pass, that's all it takes. The dual spiral brush grabs the big stuff like leaves and algae, and the suction pulls in fine sand and dust up into the filter before any of it has a chance to drift back down. This is actually very impressive for a bot in this price category because sometimes even more expensive bots can fail with this test. And another thing that really impressed me is that the motors don't bog down when it hits something chunky like a big patch of leaves. Some bots, even more expensive ones, can get stuck here and stop operating altogether, or you need to pull it up and clean out the filter. This one has a huge filter basket and it never got bogged down in this test. Now let's talk a little bit about battery life, because battery life matters a lot on pool bots, because obviously you don't want it to die in the middle of the cleaning, because then you have a half clean pool that you need to finish, and the pool bot is now sitting on the bottom of the pool, so you've got to fish it back out. The A10 runs on a 169 watt-hour battery, which MOVA says gets up to 4 hours on floor-only mode and 3 hours on wall and waterline mode. And I ran the Diver A10 for a full cycle in my residential pool, took it off the charger, dropped it in, let it clean the entire pool, talking about walls, waterline, floor, edges, the whole thing, until it came back and it auto-parked itself. So this was a full cycle and it cleaned my pool with no problem and still some spare battery charge remaining. That's a lot of pool real estate getting covered on one charge. Up to 180 square meters, which is about 1,900 square feet, it's going to cover basically every residential pool that you're going to encounter. Now, earlier I mentioned the filter and the basket, and this is really important because if the cleaner sucks up all of that debris, that's great. But if the basket gets filled up in 10 minutes and you've got to pull it up and empty it ever so often, then it's still completely useless. The Diver A10 has a 3.5 liter filter basket, which is bigger than most residential cleaners in this class. And inside there's a separately sold 3 micron ultrafine mesh, which you can buy as an add-on. And that number matters because 3 microns catches stuff you literally cannot see: pollen, algae, particles, fine silt. This is really a great value add and something I do recommend that you pick up if you're going to get the Diver A10. For this cleaning test, I mixed the large debris leaves with fine sand, other particles, and a little bit of baking powder, and then ran the Diver A10 to see how it handles it. I pulled up the basket and just take a look at what's inside. The leaves are all contained, the fine mesh has a full layer of silt on it, and the pool water is noticeably clearer than when we started. All you have to do to get started with another cleaning is rinse it off, snap it back in, and you're good to go. It really is that simple. You can use the hose to just wash it off, and it takes no more than 2 or 3 minutes to get ready for the next clean. Now, of course, cleaning the floor is very important for any pool cleaner, but the water lines sometimes get ignored. That's where the sunscreen oils, body lotion, pollen, all that stuff collects. And like I said, a lot of other cleaners out there, they just don't handle the water line at all. That's not the case with the Diver A10. The A10 has a dedicated dual waterline scrubbing mode, and the key word here is dual, because it actually does 2 scrubbing passes in the same run, one to loosen and one to finish the job. Quick note here, this mode is off by default, so you have to enable it in the MOVA Home app, but it's very, very simple to do. To test this, I smeared a stripe of sunscreen along the tile, turned this mode on in the app, and let it rip. Climbs up the wall, scrubs 2 centimeters, about 2 inches above the actual water line, and then comes back for a second pass. And yeah, it absolutely works. Just take a look at the before and after with this clean. You don't see anything remaining on the tile, and the water line is absolutely spotless. Up next, let's talk about edges, because this is one where most pool cleaners can fail, and it's because it's just hard to turn those corners, and it's something that the Diver A10 surprisingly handles very well. MOVA's answer here is something that they call Edge Pulse. 4 magnetic guidance wheels grip the wall, 2 Hall effect sensors track orientation in real time, and the AI recalibrates its position every few milliseconds. That's incredibly fast. So instead of bumper car behavior, you get this. It hugs the edge, tight, precise, no overshoot. Even around the step and the curve, it's the kind of thing that sounds like marketing fluff until you actually see it in action. You can see right here around the steps on my pool, it just hugs it so tight and gets all of that debris, anything that's on the bottom of the pool and along the steps, cleaned absolutely perfectly. Now, of course, any smart home device that you're going to use on a daily basis needs to have a very easy to use app as well, and the MOVA Home app absolutely nails that. You've got 8 cleaning modes: complete, floor, floor edge, turbo floor, wall, eco floor, wall then floor, and a dedicated tanning ledge mode for shallow water. You also have fantastic scheduling options to choose the perfect pool cleaning routine for you. Then behind the scenes, we have what MOVA calls Pool Navi. Pool Navi uses 6 sensors and AI to switch between 3 path patterns, either S-shape, star, or in-shape, which is completely dependent on your pool's geometry, and the AI analyzes this to make sure it's using the correct shape to get your pool as clean as possible. And if the A10 encounters something that it can't drive over, which is anything above 2 centimeters roughly, it just reroutes. It's incredibly smart, so you're not gonna have to worry about pool ladders, ledges, anything like that. It's going to take the appropriate action. It's either going to reroute its path or it's gonna go over it if it can. So let's wrap this up. After testing the Diver A10 across all the different cleaning modes, multiple different baskets of debris, and several full battery cycles, here's where I land on this device. This is one of the best pool robots on the market for under $600. You're getting real cleaning power in all the important areas without needing to babysit it 24/7. That takes your mind off pool care and back to enjoying your outdoor relaxation setup. If you guys would like to check out the MOVA Diver A10 for yourself, the links will be in the pinned comment description. It takes you directly to MOVA's product page. There'll also be a link to Amazon where you can find the product. There'll also be a discount code for the MOVA website specifically, which I'll have here on the screen, also in the pinned comment description, where you can save 20%, which is absolutely amazing deal. Like I said, right now, the deal they have puts this under 600 bucks, which is just an insane value. And in fact, with that 20% discount code, you can save money off of all their pool machines. So if you're looking for something a little bit bigger that can handle larger pools like the Rover X10, you can certainly use this discount for the code for that as well. And also check out my review of the Rover X10, which I'll have linked around here as well. I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Diver A10. Huge shout out to MOVA for sending this one out for review. It's absolutely fantastic. And if you have a smaller pool, this is probably the right pool cleaner for you to go out and get. Like I said, if you guys have questions, drop them below. I'll be happy to get back to you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.